Okay, so here's the fire. It's all very nice and...
Is it on video?
Very nice and...
Is it on?
Fiery. Yeah, it's on. See, it's on. And there are the fishes that we caught. That my dad caught and Daniel caught.
Don't let those coals drop, bud. Don't carry it around all over, because if
And
the
there's
coals drop and then we
Daniel's
step on it
candle.
with our foot. Oh, that's true.
But yeah. Spotlight on the fish right now. Oh. It burns! Oh yeah, that was on my face the whole time. What?
On a good rock and write our initials on it.
Alright.
Darn it. No, don't go there. Okay, you're good. Yeah. Yeah, and then bring it out.
Yeah, but then we started casting like right alongside.
Yeah.
And that's right.
Oh, yeah.
And there is some of our potential dinner. Craft dinner.
So, Sam wants you to go first.
Go where?
Fishing. Do you not want to go fishing?
Yeah, you could try down there. I haven't, you know, the last 2 years being in here, I haven't done much fishing down in there, so I don't know, but you can see what's there.
Look at that.
It's really nice first thing in the morning, because usually it's like black water.
I'm gonna do a backflip. Backflip! Daniel, I just did a backflip. You'll see it at home when you put this onto the computer. You'll see my backflip. And I can also do woo. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Is the waterproof thing on? Oh no, it's not.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, you can do a time lapse by long press shutter.
No, that's the setting.
Huh?
That's the setting.
Yeah. See, look.
No, that's like the time lapse setting. That just tells you what the quick capture does here. It turned off. Like.